Hello, my name is Liam Kiley and I'm a second year student and a BTEC National Diploma for IT Practitioners. One of my ongoing units at the moment is Unit 24, Digital Graphics and Computers. For one of the given assignments we need to create 3 images given to a specific specification, and we then need to justify and explain what we have done. In this video tutorial I'm going to explain one of my main images that I have produced. This was a large image compared to most, and I'm only briefly going to explain the elements I have used and not actually showing you how to do each one. This is because if I was to show you each step it would go over an hour. So I'm briefly going to explain and tell you why I did what I did. As you can see on the screen we have a graphic image. This is a prototype website template that will be used for a company who offers a computer repair business. They're looking to bring their business online so they can effectively introduce more profits to the business and make it a bricks and clicks business. As you can see for this website, I have kept the width of the document to 995 pixels to a height of 777 pixels. This is a great size when working with websites because it allows it to be viewed on multiple resolutions on computer. This is being based on an 800 by 600 resolution, which is used on most computers these days and portable devices such as mobile phones and iPads. The document size width is 35.1 cm by 27.41 cm and the resolution is 70 pixels by inches. The document is split into 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sections. This has allowed to each area to be designed effectively and allowed to easy compatibility once more content has been added in. As you can see in the top area of the document here we have the website header. You've seen how this was created previously in another tutorial. This has used multiple effects such as gradient, blends, blurs and overlay techniques. As you can see the image is blended into the background. It's used multiple text effects such as an emboss and glow, outer shadow, textured layered black colouring and an edge to edge white glow on the outside. An effective font has been used to allow the title to stand out whenever we first view the website. Below this we then have the navigation bar. This has simply been created with a white grey gradient background with embossed text on the top. This allows it to stand out and look more effective. Each area has a black out inner glow which makes it 3D effect, so when clicking on it and hovering over it looks like you're actually clicking on it. One of the next main areas of the image that stands out is the feature section here. This is the main form of advertisement for the site, offering the service that the business offers. For this I have used a basic generic image of Ethernet wires. I've blurred the background with a gradient grey effect, embossed the Ethernet switches to make them the main flow of the picture. They've been embossed with a glow and blurred the background underneath so they look as a 3D effect as if they're standing out. This will increase the chances of somebody noticing the image and how effective it is when navigating on the website. I've used a plain white simple text with an embossed glow and an outer shadow. One of the main interesting areas of the actual image design is the navigation bar to the left. This is used for a sign of advertisement. This has been made really effective by laying a circuit board image on the background, overlaying it with a blue background, blending the image into the background with a gradient effect, blurring the image in as if it is embossed into the website. Images have then been placed over the top of this, such as advertisement logos. These have been embossed around the edges to stand out on top of the circuit board to make it look more effective when in the eye region. As you can see, this was a big project that was undertaken. We've used multiple layers for images, text, effects, inner glow, outer glow, shadow. To make it a bit more easy, certain areas have been put into sections, such as the features section you see here. This is so when editing it can be more effective, such as layer masks and layer templates, effects and text. Same applies to header with its effects and its layer mask and its sub-masks. Everything is named and effectively worded, so when you need to come to editing things, you can do this easily. Some layers are turned off because they're not being used currently, and it allows you to focus more on the main area. As you can see, there's been multiple layers that have been used. For example, on the sidebar, which is here, There's multiple drop shadows effects in her clothes, and other things have been overlaid in the use of layer masks. When this web template needs to be used in a program such as Dreamweaver, each section of the image will be sliced and saved individually for web and multimedia use. This means in Dreamweaver, using features such as tables or div tags, you can easily insert each section of the website in so it'll fit in, and it'll all share the same width, rules and heights. This will create an effective website, and when fully created will look really effective. The completed website will be shown shortly. As you can see now, this is the completed website and how effective it looks with the techniques that have been used. Multiple techniques have been used on each page to allow it to look effective and direct. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask at liam.kiley@nulccollege.ac.uk.